Let's be real. Most corporate learning and development programs weren't designed with neurodiversity in mind. From training modules to leadership workshops, the message is often, here's how to succeed as long as you think, speak, and learn like everyone else. But that's not how brains work, and that's not how inclusion works. So redesign is more than essential. Most corporate training follows a formula. Sit in a room, watch a slideshow, absorb the info, regurgitate it later. That model assumes we all learn in the same way through visual, verbal, social, and rapid methods. But neurodivergent people process information differently. Some need movement. Some need more time. Some need less talking and more doing. When we treat one learning style as standard, we make everyone else feel like they're falling behind when really we're just failing to meet them where they are. Accessibility isn't something you add on after somebody asks. It's something you build in from the beginning. That means having multiple formats, written materials, video, live sessions, and asynchronous options. It means clear objectives, flexible timelines, and opportunities for reflection. Universal design for learning isn't just for schools. It belongs in the workplace too. Because when content is flexible, people can choose the best way to engage, not just the default. Traditional training often rewards speed, memorization, and extroversion rather than insight, critical thinking, or lived experience. So let's stop measuring success by how quickly someone answers a quiz or whether they raise their hand in a workshop. Neurodivergent brilliance doesn't always look like fast answers. It might look like deep analysis, a written idea the next day, a quiet contribution that changes everything. We need to shift from performance-based evaluations to process-respecting design. Let learners tell you and show you what they need. Do they need instructions in writing? Do they want to skip the group role play? Would they benefit from turning off their camera during a virtual training? Normalize self-advocacy in your learning culture. And even better, invite it. Create environments where it's safe to say, this doesn't work for me. Is there another option? Respect isn't just giving people a seat. It's giving them the ability to adjust the seat height. Here's the simplest and often most overlooked step. Ask us. Neurodivergent employees should be co-creators in learning and development, not just participants. What makes a workshop feel safe? What formats help us retain knowledge? What's missing? If you're building something for a community without talking to that community, you're missing the point. Inclusion without input, that's just decoration. As the saying goes, nothing about us without us. You can have the most accessible content in the world, but if your facilitators aren't trained in neurodiversity, we've got a problem. Trainers and facilitators should understand that not all engagement looks the same. Silence isn't disengagement. Forcing eye contact isn't helpful, and camera off might be self-regulation, not disinterest. The goal is a learning space that is curious, not controlling, supportive, not standardized. Neurodiverse professionals deserve learning environments where we're not just surviving, we're thriving. When we redesign learning and development to honor cognitive diversity, we help everyone and not just do others a favor. We're doing what's right for innovation, equity, and growth. So let's stop asking neurodivergent employees to conform to outdated systems and start building ones that actually work for all kinds of brains. What's one change you'd love to see in how we train and grow at work?